Mean, median, and mode. Find the mean, median, and mode for the following distribution. Here we have a data set, and first we're going to find the mean. The mean is represented by an X with a bar above it. And the formula for the mean is the average. So we're going to add all the values together and then divide by the number of values in the set. The mathematical formula for this is x bar equals the sum of all x's divided by n. This summation symbol is a Greek sigma. That just means that we're going to add all of the x's together. And then n represents the number of values in the set. So if we use this formula, first we're going to add all the x's together. So we'll add 3 plus 5 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 7 plus 9 plus 14. And then we'll divide by the number of values in the set. And if we count all of these values, we have 9 numbers. So we're going to divide by 9. When we add all the values together, we get 59. And 59 divided by 9 gives us a decimal of 6.555 repeating. Now we'll write the mean rounded to 1 decimal place. So I'll look at the place in the second decimal spot. And since this is a 5 or greater, I'm going to round the place or the digit in the first decimal place up to 6. So my rounded answer is 6.6, and that's the value for the mean. Next, we're going to find the value for the median. The median is the middle term of the data set. In order to find the median, you first need to list the values within the set from smallest to largest. Here I have a list of all my values from smallest to largest. Now I'm going to find the middle term. To do that, I'm just going to cancel the farthest left term and the farthest right term until I get to the middle term. And you will see that the middle term is 6. So my median is 6. Now you can check to make sure you have the middle term by counting the number of digits that you canceled out. They should be equal on both sides of the middle term. So we had 4 terms here that we canceled and 4 terms here that we canceled. So since they're equal on both sides, this 6 is the middle term. Lastly, we'll find the mode. The mode is the number that occurs the most often within the data set. If we look at all these values, the only number that occurs more than once is 3. So 3 occurs most often than any other number in the set. So our mode is 3. And this completes the question.